Hello everyone, welcome back to another video about Algo coin. In this video I'm talking about the biggest mistake of Algo coin holders. But before starting this video, please make sure to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more updates and news videos. I hope you all subscribe my channel. So thank you so much for subscribing our channel, my friends. Now my friends, in this video at this time the holders of the Algorand price doing very biggest mistake, my friends. Algo coin holders never do this mistake. Absolutely, if you do this mistake, so possibilities you lose your money and a waste, my friends. So don't lose money, my friends, and be safe from loss. Anyways, let me show you the price of the Algorand coin, 0.8566 USD dollar. That is the currently live and latest price of the Algorand coin, my friends. And on the other hand, if you look the price changes in the Algorand coin, so absolutely the changes is going positive, 2.92% the price increase just in the last 24 hours. So my friends, you can see here now the special talk about Algo coin is that the price of Algo coin is very low and everybody can easily buy Algo coin, my friends. So that is why now I recommending for everybody, my friends, buy now more and more Algo coin because the price of Algo coin is low, and on the other hand the changes of the Algo coin is positive. And I believe, my friends, that Algo coin will give you a huge amount of profit if you hold for a 1 month, if you hold for a 2 month, my friends. So buy now more and more Algorand coin, my friends. Anyways, let me show you more details about Algo coin, but again I requesting everybody that please subscribe our channel for more updates and news videos about Algorand coin, my friends. Now you can see here, my friends, if you look the trading volume, so absolutely, my friends, a lot of people want to buy more and more Algorand coin, and the trading volume every hour increase, my friends. Same like that, the market cap is also going to increase. You can see 2.95% the market cap increase just in the last 24 hours, and same the fully diluted market cap is also increasing, my friends. So Algorand coin is now trending coin and positive coin in the market. Invest now more and more and make yourself a rich. Hope you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe channel for more news and updates videos.